So I'm starting to sort out the console. Basic plan: replace this. Gonna get something made out of two more alley. Change the design a little bit, removing all the switches, changing them with a couple other rocker switches, and I've got a couple of little cool things I'm gonna add in here. Nothing hectic, but just keep it very simple and neat. And yeah, with the right functions and a little bit of smartness. So console is out, wires are out, buttons are out, everything's marked. So that's what we got to contend with. Hold on. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. Got our switch panel, brackets, and our console back today from the powder coaters. We're super stoked. It's looking amazing. So got these pressed out. This I got welded up and I chopped all the insides out by myself with a bit of hard work, jigsaw, file, hole saw, etc. etc. So now we've got to fit this, get some switches in, wires in. Audio cables, nicely heat shrunk, soldered. Busy working on the plugs with about 10 switches that's going on a dashboard here panel. So these are obviously manuals been referencing all the wires and stuff, making sure it's all cool. It is a absolute mission. Hours of brain picking. Yeah, hours brain picking. Ah, I'm wired. So another piece of the puzzle done. Most of my wiring's in. I'm gonna put our new switch panel back, or put it on, should I say? And then there are a couple of things that I'm still missing or struggling with, like the rear fog light, camera for the back, and one or two other things. I'm gonna wire it with the panel in place. So anyway, there we go. Everything's in. Audio. These are all spotlights, power, cigarette lighter, USB. I'm pulling a feed from the heated window. This is for two switches on that side. That's for the spare and the camera. Hazard, all the audio as it comes factory, just wired it in. And this is my A or B side and fuel pump. So happy days. Let's see if she fits. It's quite a lot of wire to get in. So there's the rear electrical board. It holds USB, cigarette lighter, BC-DC charger for the lithium battery, BC-DC charger for the second battery which I use as a winch, 2 rear speakers, solar inputs for the lithium and the second battery, battery indicators for all 3 batteries, starter battery, winch and the lithium battery, and boom, bunch of outputs for the 2-way radios, camp lights, fridge, all fused using bus bars for the positive and negative. That's all my wiring. Nicely sleeved. This is the lithium battery, all fused. There's another loom, which tucks in that side. And all the wiring comes to this side as well. Second battery, starter battery. These are the BC-DC chargers and a couple other things. Still got to have a couple of more things fitted to this, just for the spotlights, and we're good to go. So there we go. My reverse camera is fitted. All I have to do, flick a little switch, and boom, she comes on. So instead of having her connected to the reverse light, it's a little switch here, boom, and she's off. That's my madman's going hello, hello.
Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join our adventure.